Document numbers, company, change company settings, documents and statements, document numbers. You can set your document numbering using this section. This function allows you to set your own numbering structure. After setting your new numbering structures, the system will automatically increment the next document numbers when they are processed. If you are processing documents in a multi-user environment, the system will automatically allocate a number to the document when the document is saved. This will eliminate duplicate document numbers caused by various users processing transaction at the same time. When you process document in a multi-user environment, the number will display as number until the document is saved and a number is allocated by the system. In this company, there are two users, that is multi-user environment. When you go to transaction, system will display document number as number. After the document is saved, a number is allocated by the system. If you have worked in a single user environment, the system will also allocate the next document number, but it will display the number immediately because there's only one user processing transaction. In this company, only one user, that is single user environment. When you go to transactions, you can see the actual document number. You can set document numbers for quotation, sales order, customer invoice, credit note, customer receipt, customer write-off, customer recurring invoice, customer adjustment, supplier purchase order, supplier invoice, supplier return, supplier payment, and supplier adjustment. System will display document type, current document number, and new document number. Current document number is last entered transaction number. New document number is the number allocated to next transaction. Furthermore, you need to decide suitable numbering structure for transactions. Transaction number should be simple and easy to understand. If you want to identify the transaction from the document number, it is better to have document type before the transaction number digits. For an example, you can set invoice numbers mentioning INV prior to the numbers. When deciding number of digits of a transaction, you can analyze your previous year's number of transaction of a transaction particular type. If you have invoices more than 100,000 transactions per year, it's better to use 7 digits for invoice numbers. You can enter up to 9,999,999 transactions. If you have only 200 transactions per year, 4 digits number enough for the invoice number. Then you can enter up to 9,999 transactions.